Hello friends, I am Dr. Madhukar Jadhav. In previous unit, that is in unit number 1, we have studied regarding prismatic compass and plane table survey. Today I am going to start with the second unit, that is vertical measurements. In this unit, we are going to study regarding introduction to leveling, then different terms used in leveling, and then definition of benchmark. So starting with introduction, leveling. Leveling is a branch of surveying which deals with finding the elevations of given points with respect to a given or assumed datum. Simply a process of determining the heights of one level relative to another is called as leveling. Means height of one point relative to the other is called as leveling. Also, leveling is defined as an art of determining the relative heights of different points on, above or below the surface of earth. It is nothing but the measurements in a vertical plane. So this is regarding definition of leveling, or we can say what is mean by leveling. Then different terms used in leveling. So first important term is a level surface. Level surface is the continuous surface parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth. The surface of still water is a truly level surface. Now see in this figure, this is the mean sea level and this is level line. So the line or the surface which is parallel to the mean sea level is called as level surface. Then next one, level line. A level line is a line lying in a level surface. It is therefore a normal to the plumb line at all points. So see, this is the level line like this, and this is the plumb line we can say. So it is exactly perpendicular. Then horizontal plane. Horizontal plane through a point is a plane tangential to the level surface at that point. It is therefore perpendicular to the plumb line through the point. Then next definition is horizontal line. It is a straight line tangential to the level surface at a point. Now see, this is the horizontal line, the line which is coming out of the leveling instrument we can say. So this is a horizontal line and this is level line and this is the mean sea level. So horizontal plane is nothing but it is a plane which is tangential to the level surface. So see, it is a tangential and the line which is lying in that horizontal plane is called as horizontal line. Next one, datum. So this is also one of important term as far as leveling is concerned. Datum is any reference surface to which elevations are referred or calculated. The mean sea level is a convenient datum surface with respect to which elevations or heights are commonly measured. See, when the Britishers have ruled our country at that time, they have started the survey in different areas in our country, and at that time the mean sea level at Karachi, now in Pakistan, was assumed as a mean sea level, but after independence the mean sea level at Mumbai we are assuming as the datum surface, and with respect to that we are finding out the elevations or heights, or we can say reduced levels of different points. Another definition, datum or datum plane is a arbitrarily assumed level surface or line with respect to which levels of other lines or surfaces are calculated. Then next one, elevation. when the height of a point is when the height of a point is its vertical distance above or below the surface of reference plane which we have selected, it is called the elevation of that point. See, for example, we want to know the height of a building. So how we are finding out the height? Generally, we are finding out the height of a building with respect to ground level near to that building. So if we measure the height of a building from the bottom of the building, means ground level, to the top of the building, that is called as elevation of that particular building. So when the height of a point is its vertical distance above or below mean sea level, then it is called as altitude of that point. See, there is a difference between altitude and height. Generally, elevation is determined with respect to ground level of that particular building or of that particular point, while altitude or reduced level is always measured with respect to mean sea level. Next one, mean sea level. Mean sea level, it is an average level of the surface of one or more of earth bodies of water from which heights such as altitudes or we can say reduced level may be measured. Generally, it is the average height of the sea for all stages of the tides. Okay, then important term is a benchmark. Benchmark is a fixed reference point of known elevation. It is used either as a starting point or ending point in the leveling. Friends, benchmark is very much important as far as leveling is concerned. When we are starting the leveling work for any civil engineering project, then in that case, first of all, we have to set the dumpy level or leveling instrument, and we should take the first reading on the benchmark whose elevation is known to us. So benchmark plays very important role as far as leveling is concerned. So this is regarding the definition of leveling and different important terms which are used in leveling. So with this, it is sufficient in this lecture. Thank you.